Thinking about trying Smileasego's premium dentures? The ads make it sound like a perfect quick fix for missing teeth, no dentist no appointments, and way cheaper than traditional options. But is it actually worth your money or just another sketchy online product? Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Smiley Seagull claims that their premium dentures are easy to use, comfy, and look just like real teeth. They're marketed as a non-invasive snap-on solution with no need for dental work. Sounds great for people on a budget, right? But here's the catch. When you go through their website, there's very little legit info. No real brand background, no professional dental endorsements, and definitely no clinical data. It feels more like a drop shipping product than something you'd trust to wear in your mouth every day. There aren't many trustworthy third party reviews out there either, which is a bit sketchy. Some users have said the fit is awkward or uncomfortable, and others mentioned it looking pretty fake in person. So is Smiley Seagull legit? Technically, yes, it's a real product, but is it a good denture solution? That's a very different story. If you're just looking for a temporary cosmetic fix for a photo or short event, maybe. But if you're expecting something that feels or functions like real dentures, you're probably going to be disappointed. Have you tried Smileasego dentures? Were they a hit or a total miss? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews on viral products and online stores.